if you will follow these points, definitely you can learn English. You can improve your all subjects, maths, SST, Hindi, science. Understand? Not only English. So look at the board properly and try to understand what I am going to tell you. Okay? First is hard work. Hard work means mehnat. If you don't do hard work, remember, you cannot get good marks. First thing. Second thing, you cannot achieve anything in life. Like if you want to become a doctor, you cannot become doctor if you don't do hard work. Understand? In the similar way, if, like for example, if your father doesn't go to work, can he make money? Can he earn money? No. His boss would not give him money. Would he give him money? No. So how would he pay your school fee? How would he, you can say, fulfill all your needs? He cannot if he doesn't do hard work. In the same way, you are a student. You must also do hard work. Learn every day. Understand? Make your timetable. It's very important that every day at 4 p.m. you must study. Understand? Second thing, speak daily. If you want to speak English, then speak daily. Every day speak 2 sentences, 3 sentences with your teacher, with myself, with your friends. Okay? Don't skip any day. This is the backbone of learning process of English. Understand? Every day speak English. Speak wrong sentences, but try to speak. Okay? Third is learn rules. English is all about rules. Understand? For students, because you are students, you cannot break the rules. Learn all the rules. Like where we should use is, where should we use did. We use did for past. Like did you eat food? I didn't eat food. In the similar way, we use will for future. Am I right?
Yes,
like
sir.
if you have to talk about any incident that will happen in future, you will use will. That I will go to city tomorrow. I'll eat pizza today evening. Understand? These are future cases, future incidents. So understand? Positive. Positive. Improve your handwriting. So children, my dear students, handwriting is very important. Okay? If your handwriting is not good, your teacher cannot understand what you have written, what you are writing in your exam, in your copies. Understand? So improve your handwriting. Make your handwriting very beautiful. Understand? For this, write 1 page every day. Understand? And show it to your teacher. Ma'am, am I writing properly or not? Then whatever you can say tips, whatever tips or points your teacher would tell you, follow that. Okay? So handwriting must be very clear. Second, fifth is don't waste time. You know what happens when you go to home after school? You waste time. You gossip with your friends. You play video games. Don't do this. Understand? When you go to home, eat food, take some rest, go to tuition or whatever you do. After that, study. Play for some time also, because playing game is also important, because it keeps your body fit. Understand? And sound mind, always be in the sound body. Okay? So play as well, but don't play all the day. Understand? Make a timetable for playing games as well. Understand? Like 1 hour every day you can play or 30 minutes, and 2 hours or 3 hours for study. Okay? If you will follow these tips, definitely these points, you will improve yourself in study. Okay? Thank you, beta.